Finally, I am off on a few days of vacation to God's own country, that is Kerala. Every person needs a break from time to time from the daily life. I was waiting for this break for a long time. I'm so relaxed now. But a few hours back, I was so hassled. There were so many things I had to do in the house, which in my language is called closing the house. I'm sure all of you must be doing the same things before going on a vacation. Right from taking out the suitcase from the loft and then ironing all the clothes that need to be taken, then meticulously packing all the items that we'll be needing in the vacation. I usually make a list so that I don't miss anything while packing. As you're leaving for a few days, you cannot leave the dry clothes outside, so you have to pick them up, fold them properly, separate the ones which need to be sent for ironing, and then you have to keep them back in their respective places, that is, in the cupboard. Simultaneously, I had to close the kitchen to see whether the gas cylinder was properly closed, all the bottles were closed, food was not lying outside, and I had to dispose the wet waste also. Before leaving for any vacation, I always cover all the furnitures to keep them dust free. From time to time, I keep sharing my life with you as you are now a part of my family. So please subscribe, share, and be by my side. As you all know, plants are a very important part of my life. And just because I was going on a vacation does not mean that they will suffer. So I properly watered them. After closing all the windows, I didn't have much time to get ready, so I somehow managed to tie my hair and get into a comfortable court set which was apt for the journey, and now I was ready. My packing was mostly done, but small items like makeup items, medicine, and other small things I had packed in small bags, which had to be kept in the suitcase. And after packing the suitcase and seeking blessings from my Bhagwan, I was ready to start my journey. I'm sure many of you can relate to this video. Being the lady of the house, these are the things that most of us do every time we go out on a vacation. We do them not as a responsibility or a compulsion, but because we love our home.